Good afternoon to everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about a best penny stock that you can add in your portfolio. So in this video we'll discuss the complete technical as well as the fundamental of this stock. So I've decided to make one extra video. You know that I daily upload 3 to 2 videos regularly. So apart from this I'm planning to launch another video based on penny stocks, specially focused on undervalued as well as good future stocks, so that you can watch those stocks. So once the 2k subscribers are completed, then regularly I will upload penny stocks that you can add in your portfolio. So if you're not yet subscribed, then definitely subscribe for all the latest updates. So let's get started. So the stock name is, you can see from the so you can see that the company name is Mercantile Ventures Limited. So it is a finance, leasing and hiring company. So okay, so we got the company name. So let's see the overview. So you can see the overview, the market cap is around 91.44 crore, and if you see industry PE is 27.84, and you compare it with the current PE, you can see it is around 4.32. so you can see that it is completely overvalued, and we can see the book value itself is around 24.25, and deliveries are 100%. So can we conclude directly by seeing the PE and tell it as undervalued? No, we'll try to find out the shareholding, where we can see whether there is a pledging or not, as well as debt is there or not. So these are the two major things, and surprisingly both of them are zero for this company. Pledging is zero, as well as a debt on the company is also zero. Let's see those things. So you can see promoters are having almost 64.71% stake, no pledging, and you can see DIs are having 25.73, and rest of all holdings are zero. So we can say that the recognition of this particular stock has yet not come, and we can say that the major move in the stock has not come yet. So the listing of this stock was done around 2016. Okay, almost 4 to 5 years completed for this listing, and you can see the returns are also excellent for this particular share. So we'll also discuss that in the next slides. So now let's see the strengths, weaknesses, and what are the opportunities that are available in this share. So if you see the strengths, you can see that almost you can see strong annual EPS growth, company with low debt, increasing profits, increasing revenue, net profit from last 2 years. So you can see that the profits, the revenues, the EPS, EBITDA, everything has been increasing quarter on quarter as well as year on year. So okay, so we got an idea that pledging is not there, company is not having any debt. Okay, the financial also are very good. Now let's see the what are the weaknesses. So you'll be surprised that only one weakness is there, that too because it's in downtrend. So that was only the weakness, that it has given a breakdown of the third support. Okay, no weaknesses. And if you see what are the opportunities, you can see that RSI is indicating price trends, stock with low PE almost less than 10, and highest recovery from 52-week low. So these are the basic opportunities, and zero threats for the company, no threats at all. Now let's see the returns. So you can see almost being a penny stock, it has given 172.33 returns in just 1 year. Okay, we can say that being a penny, it's a massive returns, and 6 months 55.32, 1 month 36.62, 1 week negative return. So continue. Now we can see that currently it's in a downtrend because it is having minute correction. So we'll find out the technicals as well, so where you can enter in this particular stock. Okay, now when you see the March 2020 results, you can see that revenue has increased, net income increased, diluted EPS increased, net profit margin has also increased. Even in the strengths also I showed you that we can say that the profits revenue have increased drastically. Okay, very huge profits were reported. If we see even the December 2019 as well, so we can say that revenue, net income, okay, net profit margin, operating income, so everything has been increased, and year on year more increase was there. Okay, whenever the financials are improving, so we need to focus on those companies as well. Okay, now let's see the major thing. So all have covered almost. We have discussed the financials, shareholding, strength, weaknesses, no threats. Okay, complete picture of the company. Okay, but the major thing is that we need to enter at the right point of time and enter with the small quantity. So you need to do, if you want to do SIP also, you can do in this particular stock. Invest in small quantities at each dip, so that in future we will have a good amount of returns. Now let's see the major thing, that is the technicals. So when you see the technicals, you can see current market price is only 8.17 and its lower circuit is only minus 1.92 only, not 4 5 not 10% also. Okay, and you can see this is 20 EMA, this green color line is the 50 EMA. So you can see currently it is at its 20 EMA 8.17, and tomorrow if it gives again a lower circuit, then possible levels to watch out will be 6.91. And you can also see the money flow index. Okay, you can see still little MACD is showing still little weakness is there, but you can see MACD is showing that money flow index is showing that now it is going to the oversold region. So this is overbought region, now it's correcting, and when it reaches this 20, okay, which is the oversold region, then you can add in small quantities. So company fundamentals and everything are great. I have shown you everything. Okay, whether you want to enter or not, it's up to you. And these are the levels. 50 EMA also you can focus, and what we can see on 1 day chart. Okay, so on 1 day chart also, so this is 1 week chart. Okay, this is 1 week chart, that one was 1 day chart. So in 1 week chart also you can see these are the two levels, 6.11 and other one is 7.10. So focus on these supports. So what are the levels? One is 7.10, another one is the 6.11, and here in 1 day chart same 6.91. Okay, so focus on these levels. Okay, so whenever you get a chance around 6 as well as 7, so add in small quantities. Okay, even in this also money flow index is showing still it's in overbought region and it needs some correction. So 7.10 and 6 point change, you need to focus there. Okay, and enter in small quantity. So this is all about this penny stock. In next videos we'll discuss about the another penny stock. Until then, take care, bye bye.